We are still in the month of May, Child's Month. Hmm? The children are not being taken care of properly. Hmm? So many things have been shoved under the rug. Hmm? Because maybe it's not our children. Hmm? It not reach with doorstep. So you see something on the news. Hmm? Or you hear about something. And yes, you feel a way, yes, but because it not reach you. Hmm? Because it not reach you the right way. Hmm? You not take it up serious. But listen to me. We have to do something. Something need to be done in this country where children is concerned. Even parents, let me tell you something. Sometimes when you traumatize the pitney them from them little and I grow come up. And when they turn adult, hmm, them emotionally damaged. Yes. I mean as people start talk, when I believe to say them attack their own story. I don't give what no one think or what no one say. Listen to me. You see, sometimes when I take up on a pit and them send go live with people, hmm? If you no can do no better, that's good. You see, if you no can do better, you no keep on a picnic. And if I one banana, you no cut it in a half, or you no go on a bed hungry and give picnic. You hear what me I tell you no? You no know what picnic have to pass through sometime living with people. Yeah. Send them go live with auntie. Hmm? You see the auntie son, they with them. Listen to what me I tell you no say. Auntie husband, I beg them. Hmm? And some picnic now come back and talk. Because you see when they come back and tell you no say a lie. You no not even try to believe one little toops, you know. And see if it could have make sense, you know. You no flat out and tell the picnic them say a lie. Hmm? Look how no damage them picnic there. Right away no damage them picnic there, you know. Eh? Parents. No, parenting no come with manual. Hmm? Like how you da buy one TV and it come with manual. So everybody grow their children how them want to. But let me tell you now, you no need to get back to the old time day how people used to grow picnic. Hmm? Yes. See if you no can get back in our old time. Hmm? Before phone and social media come about. See if you no can get back to them the day there. Yes. Because you just take up with the load of foolishness, the load of garbage. You don't want to hear nothing sensible. Hmm? All you know want to hear are the ray and the habaloo and the this and the that. Eh? And everybody jump on the bandwagon of nonsense and garbage. Hmm? What steer the children them down the wrong path? I want to see them one, you know. I want to see them one. Some of you parents too. Hmm? First thing to comment when me know. From the parents and them pick me, I go sit down and gossip the neighbor and gossip this a person and gossip that a person. Right there and then the pick me then I go have no manners and no respect. Neither for you nor nobody at all. Hmm? Yes. Send your children again. Go live with stepmother. Hmm? And how the stepmother and stepfather business come about is cheating sometimes cause it. I wanna feel to say whether or not do the cheating, it is okay. Yes, it is okay for no, but protect on yourself that children not come about. Because the day the picnic then come about, everything crash. The picnic life mash up because you take the child and send the child go live with step parents. You know what step is? Step away you walk on. And that is what them do to those children. Then consider them as step and step upon them. Yes. Children, you see, listen to me good. Me and an emotion, whatever kind of speaker. But me they a long time on earth. Whatever. Let me tell you something. You see, children consider people outside of mother and father stranger to them. Stranger no matter how you treat them good. That's the reason why a child that grow with auntie, uncle, granny, and whosoever, the day them find them real parents, some of them, they will always love them real parents. And it's not ungrateful for a child that grow with the mother alone and never grow with the father to love the father more. Because that undying love inside of the child of wanting the father are going to make the child automatically go over to the father and fall in love with the father. I want to say the pitney ungrateful, the pitney not ungrateful. Something did missing and this is what did missing come about now. Uno fit do better. Me wish to God somebody could have take one little piece out of where me I said no. And save the children them of tomorrow. Even though the Bible tell you about generation of vipers, parents can make a little difference. It's not all about you, the parents, sometime. You understand? The moment you're gonna have children or start having children, you have to consider the children them and consider yourself upon the back burner. And put them on the front and protect them just like how the hen protect their chickens. Some of una put out the pitney them. Yes. Una send them out from early. For bring in things to you as parents. Especially mother. Mother is good and mother is bad. You have some very terrible mother out there. Yes. You don't have them. And every day another get up and another cuss the father them. So they nah mind picnic and this and that. Says truth be told, you see? You see somehow, I wanna cause the father them not mind the picnic them too. Yes. Because sometimes, the father will come with one $2,000 and one small amount of money. Because remember him could have other family and other responsibility. Yes. I want to know want it. I want to say all manner of things. And you have another set too. A woman. They know say the man live with the woman. And they never tap and pushing themselves till they get pregnant. So we expect the man to do left in woman a yard if he can't take you over fully. And sometimes in they have 3 picnic yard and 2 picnic and whatsoever. And if he left that alive they and can start fully with you. After you know say man having woman live with and you pushing yourself and you get that picnic there now and look on the trouble where you cause for the picnic. You cause one piece of trouble pan the picnic where you get. You're not considering say cheating. It's there from creation and we can't stop it. But what I'm saying, Look before you leap, no? Count your cost before you ride your ass. Look what you do to the picnic. And sometimes, the picnic come favor the father so much. And you know what you as the parents do? The mother do? Hate the child. Because the child favor the father so much. You hate the child. And because you hate the child and dislike the child so much, you mash up the child future. Mash up in whole life. Remember me tell you that. You understand? So many children are suffer all around the world, and not only in Jamaica, all around the world. Somehow no mother, when you not pay attention to the children them, whether boy or girl, that they can come to you when they have an issue. Because all you do is and hug them and beat them and treat them bad. So when they have an issue, they can come to you. So let me tell you now something. Learn to do better by the children then. Okay? You see what my paper say? Me turn it this way. Let the children live. See it there? I don't know why when you turn something, you can hardly read it. Yeah? Let the children live. See them there? Back in the day, you used to have this family planning thing that used to say two is better than too many. And you used to have the mother and the father and one child over here and one over here. And it used to always be a boy and a girl. Which is, it now must be so. It can be two boys or two girls. But that's what a family is consist of. A mother and a father. Yes, that's what we know from creation. A mother and a father. That's what parents is consist of. Mother and father. And as the Bible says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and all his righteousness. And if we did do that, we would not end up with the outside picnic them. Yes. It'll go for all our way. We have outside picnic. Yes. But the longer you live, and the more you learn. Because sometimes you grow, nobody never did tell you what is right from what is wrong. And me know. I don't know why you what me I say, but me still have to talk. Because we're still in a child's month and the children them are suffer. You think if you buy clothes and boot you picnic that is love? That a necessity. They have to get it. That is not love. Love and affection. Find out how them doing. Yes. Find out how them doing. How was your day? Play with them. Yes. Not just to just give them one tablet or one phone and send them one side. We don't need to bring back family unit where the family sit down together and eat. Teach the children them how to eat with their knife and fork. So when they go a street, then we understand how to get themselves together. And all of those things you don't have to rich for do. You can be very poor and still do it. Yes. You understand? Yes. And the children them where I go to school go war and bully other people picnic. let me tell you something. Sometimes the anger in the home. The, you see the anger in the home spill over. The bad living in the home spill over upon the children them. And build up a thing inside of them. So when them go to school now and somebody just say something to them, it's like they explode. Hmm? Yes. But true me and a most motivational speaker. You not go listen to what me I say. Because me is just a simple mother. But nobody in my family, no content thief, gunman, or no farmer element of the devil. We don't have them there something there in my family. Hmm? Not at all. Yes. No. Me not have them there in my family. God bless my family and my relatives them. God bless them. Yes. They are not perfect and I am not perfect either. But God bless us. Yes. So mothers, may I beg on you tonight. Take good care of the children then. Hmm? Find out how them doing. You hear? Yes, find out how them doing. Don't wait until something happen to them. And then another one side I cry and all these things. Let me tell you something. As big and whole as me is, you see, if me have to take the taxi, is one taxi me take. I may have the taxi man number, me call him. That one taxi. And I'm not telling you about like a random taxi. I'm telling you from a taxi company. Hmm? And if I am traveling on the road me alone and I have to take a regular taxi, robot taxi as you call it, I am very skeptic when I am going into that taxi. And if I am in the taxi as a woman, and when me look at a man coming there, I take out my phone and call somebody me ever have credit with me in a street. And me there right on the phone. I talk to somebody until me come off of the taxi. Yes. Right until me come off, me I talk to somebody until me come off. And me I tell them, yeah, me I talk very loud to I am into a taxi and this and that and yes, until me come off. Because when me go in the street, me paranoia. Everybody is a suspect to me. Everything. Me careful of everything when me go in the street. Cause the street no nice. Yes. I am always looking. I see people walking on the street with earphone in them ears. For me, that is a no-no. I must be alert. Yes. People dip on them phone in the street not paying attention where them going. That is a no-no for me. My phone in my bag. Then when I come out, left the street and reach into some form of transportation, whether a bus or a taxi or whatever, then I take out my phone and call somebody and say, if I'm in a bus, like a public bus where enough people in and then me not too have to do that. Yes, and sometimes me still say yes me into a bus now. Hmm? And telling somebody where you're going. It's not fast them a fast in your business. Always make somebody know where you're going. This hide and seek where people are going and go there. So those were back in the day thing. Not now in this time. In this time there's no hide and seek. You're going somewhere. Let somebody know where you're going. Okay? Let somebody know where you're going. No hide and seek business. That was back in the day business. And I don't want anybody to say, Granny, you don't know what you're talking about. Yes, I know I am a grandma. Yes, but I'm telling you, we need to do something about the children. Hmm? Yes, we're still in a child's month, and the children them rest for me. Me sick and tired to hear this a happen to children, that a happen to children, because you have some careless mother, some careless auntie, some careless people. Hmm? We say them are grow children, and I left them children with some other careless people. Eh? Careful of who you left your picnic with. Me telling you something. You see, a child and a dog is like the same thing. When a dog not like you see, as something you are doing. Hmm? Or in sense, sitting in spirit, so you're afraid of dog. And a child is like that. A child, for you see a child not open at you. Don't push that child onto that person because the child know what him want and know what him like. But no, wanna focus on the wrong thing and say the child now no manners to so and so. And sending go and grandfather, you're sending go in your uncle, and you're sending go this and you're sending go this. So, and people abuse them. And when they grow big, they emotionally damage both boy and girl. Nobody left out the boy them. Then damage too. And it make you can hardly find one good man in the street because they're emotionally damaged. Nobody need give them no love and affection. When they're little. When you say them a boy and they feel tough. So true that now we not give them as much love. Yes. But listen to me. We can do better. Bring back the days where the community raised the child. But you know why? Them are nowadays pitney, our children, our kids, or whatever you want to say. It not go so. Because you the parents tell them if you not got no manners. To miss at this and miss this and miss at that and whatever. And tell them so when they go to school, then if cuss teacher, then if word up teacher, and you broad up your chest and you go down at school and man into the teacher. What kind of thing you send to the children them if I saw you are going to behave? Looking at yourself and not cause some of my problem then. Because you the home I behave so in front of the child one way you go down at school tomorrow, go do to the teacher. The teacher will have to teach your own child. Eh? If you could have teach the picnic, what make you not keep him at your yard? Keep him at your yard since you could have do the teaching. No, you couldn't do the teaching. So you have to have manners and respect to the teacher. If teacher send call you and you have to go down there, you go down there with respect. You not go down there like some old hooligan, like you know no respect for the teacher. Yeah. And the Bible said train up a child in the way he should go, that when he is old he may not depart from it. What happened to that? We don't need to get back to that. Get back to those days. Yes, when we used to train them up. But no. We don't left them to the mercy of social media to train them up. And it's not like we not listen to the things them with sense. Is the ends of garbage we are pour into them. Yes. The amount of garbage. The garbage we are pour into them lower down some of them self-esteem. Because When they come on social media and see so many beautiful, pretty people, some of them is not even real, they are false people. So through them now not me not so pretty, then get intimidated. Because what? Learn to feel good in your own self, in your own skin. And stop watch people on social media. Because sometimes if you bring them up close and personal and take off the eyelash and the makeup off of them, you wouldn't like to see them. So don't let them fool you. Be confident in your own self, in your own skin. Yes. God made all of us special. All of us matter. Once you're here on earth, you're here for a purpose. Find out what purpose you serve and fulfill it. Yes, that's what we need to do. So, I hope somebody gets something from what I am saying here tonight. And as I said, I am not a motivational speaker. You understand? I'm just here speaking what is laid on my heart. Yes. Thank you. Be blessed now. Okay?